Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Greek salad. Start by washing and drying all vegetables thoroughly, then chop tomatoes into wedges and slice cucumber into coins. Thinly slice red onion and pit the Kalamata olives if needed. Crumble or cube feta cheese and keep it chilled. Whisk olive oil with red wine vinegar, add oregano, then dress gently and toss to combine flavors. Chop like a pro by using steady, confident cuts to keep textures consistent across the salad. Use a sharp knife to prevent crushing tomatoes and to make clean cucumber rounds that hold dressing well. Thinly slice onion and rinse briefly in cold water to take off harshness while keeping crunch. Keep feta chilled until assembly to maintain firm texture and bright flavor when tossed with warm ingredients. Whisk dressing vigorously in a small bowl to emulsify olive oil and red wine vinegar into a smooth blend. Season with dried oregano, a pinch of salt, and optional sugar to soften sharp acidity. Add dressing gradually while tossing gently so tomatoes keep shape and feta stays intact. Taste and adjust seasoning before serving, then transfer to a chilled bowl to keep salad fresh and vibrant when presented to guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.